Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily use Offerup. So let's start. Now, when you're gonna click on Offerup, this is really simple. So first you're gonna see home, then you're gonna see in the left bottom corner messages, in which you can write to people, post that you can actually sell an item, then offers in which you would see what you're actually saying, what you're buying, and then boards that you can create for quick saving of the products that you want to buy. And then you will see account here where you can find your reviews that people gave you, etc. Now, in a home, what you want to do is just simply click on whatever post you see, and then you can ask a seller something if you want to, or you can simply make an offer right here, and how much you're gonna offer in Brooklyn. So then you add an offer, and then when you would make an offer, you can simply go to messages, and right here you would see the message that you can post something, etc. It's really simple, really easy. Now to go further, you can simply click post here and make your own item. So select the photo, done. Title, oh sorry, no, I didn't want this one. Post, delete, take a photo, and I will take Buddha photo here that I created. Done. Click title Buddha. Next. Description, you just use the condition here. Select the category to something I don't know. Let's go with the general. Description is going to be Buddha, or just explain what you're actually selling. Click next. $150. Click next. You can also form on a price. You can change the delivery method and also change where are from. Click next and post it. So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Now here on account, you can simply click on your how to change the picture. You can add it yourself there if you want to. You can add some payments and deposit methods right here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. In offers, you're gonna see selling here that you can simply click here and you can mark it as a sold. Then go click on the three dots and click archive if you want to, and you can promote it. And yep. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.